Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what I have for you guys is a new subscription service for me. I've never tried this one before, but I've seen several unboxings and I liked it, so I thought I would try it. As usual, you guys already know that I never know anything. I'm never prepared, but I think it's 15 bucks a month if I'm not mistaken. This is the Allure beauty box. So I thought I should give it a try because I saw several unboxings and I liked it, so I said why not. All right, so inside you get a little booklet, and in here it tells you all the products that come inside of this box. So let's just jump right in. This should be a short and sweet video. All right, so first thing that I see in here is from Belief, and I do like this brand. I have tried their eye cream and I really enjoyed it. This is the True Cream Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera cream. I'm guessing. So this is what it looks like, and this retails for $38. I hope this is as good. It has like a greenish kind of color. Doesn't smell like anything, doesn't smell like aloe or anything like that. It just doesn't have a smell at all. And this is 0.33 fluid ounces. So I can't wait to try this. I hope I like this. Thing in here is from Context, and this is an eye cream. This is what it looks like. This is 0.5 fluid ounces. This retails for $35. And I'm kind of liking getting different eye creams now. I used to not like getting eye creams, but I kind of like it now because now I get to try different ones and see which ones I like the most. It's just kind of like a clear consistency, which is what usually a lot of the eye creams that I've tried. It doesn't smell like anything either, so that's good. Next thing in here, I've gotten this before and I kind of don't like this because I don't really use this. This is the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. I'm thinking that I need to try this. This retails for $28. I've gotten this in other subscription boxes before, but it's like not appealing to me because I don't really use this. It does have a hot pink tint. Let me open it so I could actually show you guys. So this is what it looks like. I don't know, it's coming out like reddish, but it's like a hot pink, clear kind of color. It's a hot pink tint. So this has antioxidants and moisturizers. It has vitamin E, coconut, avocado seed oil. So basically it just moisturizes your lips. I'm gonna end up trying this, even though I think I tried it once and I think it was sticky, which I don't like. So we'll see this time around if I like it. Next thing in here is from Shangpree, and this is Shangpree Spa Care System. This is Gold Black Pearl Eye Masks. These are the ones that go down here under your eyes. This retails for $60. That is insane. And yeah, you guys know what this does, so I will try it. It should depuff your eyes. It helps improve the firmness of the eyes, it smoothes the fine lines, reduces the puffiness as I mentioned, and diminishes dark circles. So that's that. Next thing in here is something very different I've never gotten in a subscription service, and it's these Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette little nail strips. These are very cute. I love having press-on nails and nail strips around because I do like these things, even though I usually always get manicures. There are times where you never know, you have an emergency and you can use these, and these are really cute. Look how pretty they are. This retails for $9. Next thing in here I'm excited about, this is a lipstick from Tarte. Okay, well, I don't know what happened here, but this is not in the booklet. So I don't know if this is something extra they threw in there, if it was supposed to be in here. I don't really know, but this is exciting because it's from the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea collection, and this is a lipstick in the color Cruisin'. So I can't wait to swatch this and see if I'm gonna like it. Packaging is absolutely adorable. Look at this. It's like the ocean. Can you tell? It's so pretty. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this. Right up my alley, so I'm super excited about this. Look how pretty this color is. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So this I'm very, very, very happy about. And the last thing in here is from Tony Moly, and this is the Intense Care Gold 24K Snail Hydro Gel Mask. This retails for $10. And it comes in like this little gold packaging here. And it's just like your regular sheet mask, if you can see there. I don't know if the light is allowing it. I think you can see. So what we got in this box was this mask, we got a Tarte lipstick, we got the oil, we've got the Belief cream, we've got the nail strips, we've got eye cream, and we've got eye masks. I think that this is 100% worth it, to be honest with you. This, I think, is gonna become one of my favorite beauty subscriptions that are on the affordable end. This is like another Ipsy, but a little bit better. Like another Ipsy, the bag, like the glam bag, the one that costs $12 a month. So for $15, I totally think this box is worth it. I totally think you should try it. I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested. And yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I love you guys. Bye, my loves.